This video shows how you can easily set background information for respondents when sending email invitations. This way you can make use of existing information about the respondents. When designing a survey, you can set questions as background questions and import existing information. In this survey, the respondents' business area and contact information are already known. Choose Edit next to the business area question and select the option Import the answer to this question as background information in the Background section. You can also choose whether you want to show the question to the respondent and allow the respondent to modify the existing information. In this survey, the information is not shown to the respondent. Accept the change made to the question. Set also the contact information question as a background question that is answered with existing information. Save the survey and exit the survey design mode. Choose Publish. Identify respondents in the reporting and publish the survey. Go to Email Invitation Management and choose Send New Invitations. Start setting background information and choose Next. You can either import background information from Excel or set it through this guided function. If invitations are sent to over 50 respondents, background information has to be imported from Excel. In this survey, invitations are sent to several respondents, so the background information is imported from Excel. Copy the template from the upper text field and paste it into Excel. Enter the respondent's information into Excel. Enter the respondent's email address into the first column, the respondent's name into the second column, and the relevant background information into the following columns. The background information has to be entered into the columns in the same order as it appears on the form. The background information question of this survey concerned the business area and the respondent's contact information. Since the business area question is a multiple choice question, the background information has to be entered in the same format as in the variable list. Each response option of a multiple choice question corresponds to a numeric value that is listed in the variable list. The question type used in the respondent's contact information question is Open Question, One or Many. The background information is entered in text format into the corresponding columns. Once the background Excel is ready, you can copy it into the Copy the Information from Excel Here field. Addresses that appear more than once can be removed if wanted. If, for example, background information is set only for a few respondents, you can enter the respondents' email addresses into this field and set the respondents' background information in the next view. Choose Next. In this view, you can check that each respondent's background information is set correctly. If the list contains wrong addresses or background information, you can also make the corrections here. After the corrections are made, you can check the addresses once more. Choose Next. You can enter a forward of your choice into the message body field. The link string needs to be added to the forward, as it automatically creates an individual response link for each respondent. The forward can be personalized by adding the name string to the message, which adds the respondent's name information as entered into the Excel list. You can then choose whether you want to send the forward message in text or HTML format. You can edit HTML messages using the text editor. Choose Next. You can either send the email invitations immediately or use scheduled invitation sending. You can send an SSL secured response link to the respondent. By default, the respondent can respond to an email invitation only once, but this restriction can be removed. Choose Next. The email invitations are now ready for sending. Choose Send Invitations to send the email invitations to the respondents. You can manage your invitations in the Email Invitation Management tab. You can also send reminder and thank you messages to the respondents. In this view, you can monitor the response status of each respondent. You can send new email invitations to respondents by choosing Send New Invitations.